My most favorite activity for the year. Today's calendar has been filled with different
Sana kami na.
Hello, hello.
Hi, I'm Dayan Booth from Pacific.
So, dito.
Opo. Kasi kanina,